Hey, I've got this Creality laser engraver enclosure. So let's go ahead and put this thing together. Here's everything that came in the box. It's got the enclosure, the pad itself. Got the exhaust there. It's got a little fan and then a little shroud for it to mount to. And then it's built on a pole system. So you got 6 packages of poles, some fasteners, and then these things here to put the poles together. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put it together according to this. Start from the bottom and work my way up. Okay, gonna go ahead and do the right corner, piece number 1, and another piece number 1, and then another corner piece. Here's what we have so far. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our piece number 2s along here. All right, corner piece here, this is piece number 2. All right, so I got piece number 1s here and piece number 2, 2, 2, 2. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 piece number 1s in the back, just like the front there. Now I'll go ahead and put this cover on. Okay, now after you get the cover fit up over the frame, it's kind of nice. It's got these little ties right here, these little Velcro ties, so you can actually come up and you can go around the frame there. Well, this is really nice. You got some holes here, some service holes to run your cables through. Pocket right here, Velcro here for that. The front here, you got a zippable access piece here with a tent right here, which is really nice to keep those rays down. Okay, for installing this piece first, second, and third, and then this is going to go over that and clamp in with these. And these holes here will get filled by these right there. This piece here is actually going to go on the inside. I'm just going to start with this. Go ahead and run these through the holes there. And then put this on the back side, and then clamp it together and fasten it together with those. All right, got that all set up. Now this is going to go right around that. But before you put that on, this has to go around this, so it'll clamp this to that. Slide this over that. This thing slips over this just like a dryer vent does. Go ahead and tighten that down. Now you can direct this anywhere you want for smoke removal. Don't forget to plug it in. See, this will keep all the dust and debris from getting on there when I'm not using it too. All right, I got the laser machine ready to fire off. Got the cover all on. Got the fan plugged in here. I can feel air coming out of this right now. Okay, it's gonna start cutting now. Now we'll go ahead and put this down. Let this thing do its job. You can barely see it, but this thing's cutting away. This tint here is doing its job. So all right, it just beeped. Must mean my project is done. Oh yeah. All right, you guys, very happy with this thing. Thank you for watching.